Good morning. I'm gonna go over here this morning and check the rain gauge. Last time I dumped it out was the 11th, I think. So we got a little shower last night again. I think we've been missing some of the bigger ones from what I've what I've been hearing. So yeah, in the last 10 days we got about half an inch of rain. So nothing too crazy, but certainly is more than we need, really. Although the damage has been done from before, so the crops that did survive are probably enjoying it. First thing, I think I'm going to mow the grass here a little bit. It's supposed to rain again this afternoon, so I'll get the grass cut, and if it's not raining by the time I'm done, then I'll move on to some other things. So I was just walking over to the shop to grab the lawnmower, and we had this parked in front of the shop last night because they had a hydraulic line leaking, and now we seem to have a flat tire. So I'm going to fill it up with air, see where it's leaking, then we'll probably just take it off and take it into town, get the tire man to fix it. So we had a little shot of rain there, and then after lunch we came out. There's this old garbage building that was full of just nonsense. So we got it all cleaned out. My wife and my dad did that yesterday. Now we're going to try to move it down and dispose of it. So they got it out. She's just going to drag it down this little path here. There's a spot off to the side there where we've been burning some fallen down trees and some old wooden stuff that we've been finding. So we got a jug down here beside our fire. She's just going to come in at the side and then flip it over on there. Because we expect that's probably going to erupt into flames, she's going to just slip around and smash it down with the backhoe. So we'll let that burn down for a little while, and then we'll come and repile the pieces.